Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen Van Centre. Today I'll be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Take a look at the fantastic 2023 model Volkswagen Caddy C20 Cargo Commerce Pro, finished in the desired Indian grey paintwork, housing a 2-litre TDI engine. It is the ideal spacious upgrade for those extra miles. Alongside your manual transmission, you do have a whole range of top features, including enhanced visibility with your automatic headlights, ensuring you are ready in any condition. Alongside your parking sensors, you do even have your power folding door mirrors for added protection, alongside your 17-inch alloys. You can access the rear load area with your barn style doors, exposing plenty of space with several load lashings to secure any items, a wooden finish, and even your side sliding door for much easier access in and out. Stepping into your front interior, you will find your multifunctional full leather steering wheel for added driver convenience with access to your central touch display screen. Just opposite, your two front seats do house a full cloth trim for absolute comfort with your pull down armrest, ideal on those longer trips. You can seamlessly navigate around the vehicle with your mounted audio controls, alongside your options to navigate around the digital cockpit display, including all of your vital driving data and even access to your cruise control and speed limiter features. Moving across, you do have access to your variation of radio stations for endless entertainment all round, as it does work off your DAB and FM signal, alongside your Bluetooth connection for quick access to vital driving apps. For those who love to explore or find themselves in unfamiliar areas, you'd even have access to your built-in navigation system, alongside all of your on-screen driving information, including your servicing and checks, exterior and interior options. Moving back to your home screen, you do have a further safety with your IQ Drive, which can be selected when you do flick downwards, alongside your parking sensors, which will be activated when you do pop the car into reverse, assisting in those entire parking spots. You do also have your on-screen climate control for a desired temperature, followed just below by your handy charging pocket and power outlets, with your central cup holders and small storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 318 3023 or inquire online now.